everyone, and welcome back to Daily English Talks channel, where we practice real, useful English in a calm and friendly way. I'm Ben.
Hi everyone, I'm Lily. Ben, how are you today?
I'm doing pretty good. And today, I'm a little excited because the topic is fun, useful, and very real life. Valentine's Day English.
Ooh, yes. Because Valentine's Day is not only for couples, it's also for friends, family, and even self-love.
Exactly. And here's the hook. If you know a few simple Valentine's Day sentences, you can sound natural in texts, in conversations, and on a date, without feeling awkward.
And we'll keep it simple. Short patterns, repeated often, with lots of examples inside our conversation.
Great. Let's start with the most common line. If you want to greet someone on that day, you can say, "Happy Valentine's Day."
Yes, and you can also say, Happy Valentine's. It's short and friendly.
If it's someone close, you can add, "I hope you have a great day," or "I'm thinking of you today."
That one is sweet and safe. I'm thinking of you today works for a partner, a friend, or even family.
Now let's talk about messaging. People often want to text, but they don't know what to write.
Yes, and they panic. They think they need a perfect romantic paragraph.
But simple is best. You can text, "Happy Valentine's Day. I hope your day is going well." Or, "Happy Valentine's Day. Thank you for being in my life."
And for friends, you can say, Happy Valentine's Day, bestie, or Love you, friend.
And for a partner, you can say, "I love you. I appreciate you. I'm lucky to have you."
I appreciate you is a great line because it's not too dramatic, but it's meaningful.
Exactly. Now let's talk about making a plan. Very common sentence. Do you want to do something for Valentine's Day?
Or do you want to go out on Valentine's Day?
Yes, if you want to suggest a simple plan. Do you want to grab dinner? Do you want to watch a movie? Do you want to go for coffee?
And if you want to keep it casual, you can say, No pressure, but do you want to? That sentence makes it safer.
Great point. Now, how do you accept? You can say, "Yes, I'd love to. That sounds great. Sure, let's do it."
And if you can't, you can say, I'd love to, but I can't. Or, Sorry, I already have plans. Or, Can we do it another day?
Perfect. Polite and clear. Now, Valentine's Day also includes gifts, right?
Yes, and people need gift sentences in English, like when you give something.
You can say, "I got you something small. This is for you. I saw this and thought of you."
That line is so sweet. I saw this and thought of you.
And when you receive a gift, you can say, "Thank you so much. That's so thoughtful. I love it. You didn't have to."
That's so thoughtful is a strong, natural phrase.
Now let's do a quick mini conversation. Imagine you're giving me a small gift.
Okay, Ben, this is for you. I saw this and thought of you.
"Oh, wow. Thank you so much. That's really thoughtful."
You're welcome. Happy Valentine's Day.
Simple, natural, and not too formal.
Now, some learners worry about pronunciation, like Valentine's.
Yes, and it's okay if it's not perfect. The sentence matters more than perfect pronunciation. Just say it clearly and confidently.
Now, let's talk about restaurant situations, because Valentine's Day often includes dinner.
True. Useful sentences. "We have a reservation. Table for two, please. Can we see the menu? Could we have the bill, please?"
And if it's crowded, how long is the wait? That's a very practical line.
Exactly. Now, let's include something important. Not everyone is celebrating. Some people are single, or they don't like the day.
Yes, and that's normal. You can say, I'm not doing anything for Valentine's Day. Or, I'm keeping it simple this year.
Or even, I'm treating myself. That's a fun one.
I love that. I'm treating myself means you'll buy something nice or enjoy your day.
Now let's talk about compliments, very common on Valentine's Day.
Compliments are hard for learners sometimes. They feel shy. What do I say?
Keep it simple. You look great. You look beautiful. You look handsome. I like your outfit. You have a nice smile.
And if someone compliments you, don't panic. You can just say, thank you, or that's so kind of you.
Yes, now we need a joke moment.
Okay, Ben, what is your Valentine's Day plan?
I will cook a romantic dinner for myself, and then I will eat it by myself.
Honestly, that's self-love. That counts.
And my date will be my blanket.
The blanket never cancels.
Okay, back to learning.
Now, some people want to express love, but they don't want to say, I love you yet.
Great question. You can use softer lines like, I really like you. I enjoy spending time with you. I feel comfortable with you. I'm happy when I'm with you.
Those lines feel safe and natural.
And if someone says something sweet to you, you can reply, that means a lot. That's really sweet. I'm glad to hear that.
Now we'll do one short speaking practice, only one time.
Repeat after us. Happy Valentine's Day.
I'm thinking of you today.
Do you want to grab dinner?
This is for you.
That's so thoughtful.
Great job.
These are short, but you can use them in real life immediately.
Then some learners ask, what if I'm nervous to message someone on Valentine's Day?
Keep it simple and low pressure. Send a friendly line like, Happy Valentine's Day. Hope you're doing well. That's it. You don't need a big love story.
Another question people have is, what if I don't want to celebrate, but someone asks me?
You can reply politely. Thank you. I'm keeping it simple this year. Or, thanks. I'm not really celebrating, but I hope you have a great day.
Perfect. Kind and clear.
So, today we practiced Valentine's Day English for greetings, texting, making plans, gifts, restaurant lines, compliments, and polite replies. Simple sentences you can reuse.
Homework for everyone. Write one comment with one Valentine's Day sentence you can use this year. It can be romantic, friendly, or self-love.
Example. Happy Valentine's Day. I hope you have a great day.
Thanks for listening to Daily English Talks channel.
If this helped you, please like, subscribe, and share.
See you next time.
Bye!
Bye-bye.